great smile, especially for a widow. It's a help. Before the procedure, I was in the process of having an abundance of pain from an old facial injury. And I had had a lot of work done, and the work failed. And when I walked in here, they started the process to make it better. Dr. Jones has given me 2 brand new implants, a bridge. I've also had 2 crowns done on the side opposite, and my teeth bleached. The Dr. Joneses are very kind and compassionate people. After a procedure, Dr. Jones called me personally to make sure that I could tolerate the pain I was having. The teamwork here is phenomenal. From the first time you walk in the door with a happy smile from the front desk, to the follow-ups, to the personal attention they give you when you've had a serious procedure makes all the difference. One of the really good things about the work that I had done is it makes me feel a little younger. And just the fact that your teeth are in order and nice and bright, you feel much more confident.